Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you travel and you want to lock your stuff up, but you don't want to worry about having issues with check-in or TSA, this video is for you. So what we have here is a TSA approved travel lock. A couple shout outs on this that have to do with one, very easy to use, compact. It's has this cable, locking cable. It's covered in like a plastic type material, so it's not going to abrase anything. As far as travel, your travel bags or whatever. And also, since it spins freely, it doesn't get bound up. Easy to click on and off. It does come with not one, two, or three, but it does come with four options from a combo standpoint. I guess it would be harder to figure out what the combination is. The reason this is called a TSA lock is because it has this very unique little little hole right here. And TSA folks, when they're going through luggage and they're asking to open, they have a key. So they have like this master key. So when you're going through your luggage and all this stuff, they can take their little master key, they can stick it through there, and it will pop this open. They can unlock it, look at the stuff, to make sure nothing's in there that's not supposed to be there. Then they can lock it back and put it in place. But if you're not with your luggage and this is opened, you probably want to know. You probably want to know if it's been opened. This type of lock has this little red indicator right there. If TSA unlocks the lock and locks it back in place, this little red pop, if you will come up. And TSA can't reset it. So it's not like they're onto you and they can, put it in there, unlock it, and they're like, oh man, they're going to know that I unlocked it, and they can put it back and they can reset it. They can't do that. Only the person that has the combination can do that after it's been unlocked with the combination. Combination is very easy to reset when it's in the correct combo mode, meaning you can press it down and you can unlock it. There's just a very simple. You just stick like a pin or something in there right there. You just turn this over. You just turn it over, change it to wherever you want, lock it back in place, and then now you have a new code. So it's very, very easy to use from changing a combo standpoint. You only can use one combination. Why you would need more than one, I don't know why. But just one combo will unlock this up to 4 digits. So using this briefcase as an example, we can lock everything together, lock it up, and then, you really can't get into it. If this was a suitcase, it would be the exact same situation. You would just lock all the locks together that you can get with this, so nothing can be opened, and then you're good to go. It's black, it's small. Your actual dimension of the actual lock is only about right at about 2 inches, so it's a pretty small lock. And it kind of blends in, especially if whatever's being locked to is black to match. Very, very cool. Hopefully this answers any all questions you might have about this very unique and very specific TSA approved lock for travel, and we'll talk to you soon.